Hey, good morning. Good Sunday morning, preppers. This is an emergency message. And I hate to say emergency, but you gotta know. It happened again. It's really starting to piss me off. There's nothing I can do about it but warn you. There's a YouTuber out there who is giving you bad gouge that's going to get somebody killed. Do not, under any circumstance, ever skimp on the money needed to buy a tourniquet. Bargain tourniquets are Chinese crap that will get you killed. Simple rule of thumb, with the exception of one company out there, I believe it's Recon, that makes tourniquets. If it is not on the COTCCC devices list, it's crap. It's utter, complete crap. If you've ever had to put a tourniquet on somebody, you know what it means to crank this thing down on part of their body and the blood not stop. If you're an EMT, if you're a paramedic, if you're a first responder, if you're prior service or active duty, you know what I'm talking about. Now, I'm not going to say to actively hunt this guy. What I'm going to tell you is that somebody's holding up a tourniquet and they've got an Amazon link that's going to save you money. They're full of crap. All right. I actually made a video about this same exact situation. It's going to come out, I think, today. It's probably going to piss people off, or maybe tomorrow. But, oh well. At this point, I'm just tired of it. You guys know I'm only doing the Patreon crap, and you're never going to see an Amazon link under one of my damn pages unless it's just a good deal. This is not. This is like your weapon. This is like your sidearm. It must function every time. This is like a pair of boots. This is like water purification devices. You cannot skimp. And you cannot guide people to products that you know will fail. All right. I know it's Sunday, so I'm going to go try and rest. Maybe I'll get rid of some of this. We'll see what happens. Got to change the oil in a vehicle. And I don't normally do videos on Sunday, but anyway, so I want y'all to have a say. Just stay safe, have a great day, and no boop, because I'm just way too upset. Until the next time, talk at you later. Bye-bye.